Good day, folks. I'm in an area that's fairly new to me. Came here once, did some pans, and found some gold. So we're gonna get everything rocking and rolling here. So I just want to show you where I'm set up. Get the little gold reaper, and you can see there's big pieces of serpentine in this area. A lot of serpentine dropped out over here. That's all silted over there, but the gravel's picked back up right here. So let me show you the black sands that got washed out. I did do a little test pan of these when I was here before. There's no gold in it, no fine gold. So there's probably magnetite, hematite just got pushed up and in, maybe during the first part of a flood. There's two reasons that I'm classifying to half-inch today. The flow is kind of slow. The second is because the gold that I found here before when I was just prospecting was very fine. So you can see the materials very gravelly. There's a lot of garnet sands in it, and it's muddy. When I see a sand line end and gravels begin with a major inside bend, you got to check it. So this dark thing is actually a garnet. Got some pretty big garnets here. That with the serpentine, the quartz. I haven't seen pyrite yet. You can almost see the outline of the hole where I've been digging. And I'm working my way in towards this slabby rock right here that just goes straight down. Normally I'd be able to just shovelfuls onto this. I'm classifying it obviously because we don't really have much flow. The other thing too though is the rib is moving pretty quick. I'd have to set up somewhere out there to get the proper flow, and I'd have to stack up a bunch of stuff, and it'd take a lot of work. So we're going with slow today in the hand scoop. Okay, so this tote is around 28 gallons. I just ran 3/4 of it, so it's 7 foot. It's about 21 gallons of half-inch classified dirt. Funny thing too, this milk crate, I found 2 milk crates in this tote in an abandoned trash dump in the woods close to my home. Figured I'm cleaning up the woods. They're all brand new. There was tons of trash just laying everywhere. I was like, I can use those. So let's do a clean out. Some gold showing up. I'll say this, the old timers, they were everywhere. I mean, there's mercury on this gold. They literally mined everywhere in the 1800s. Here's a piece of pyrite that was in the pan. You can see why that fools people a lot. Very shiny. And here's that same piece of pyrite. I just broke it. You can see there's a piece right there, center of the screen, and then there's another piece. Now it looks silvery. So it's brassy looking, silvery. It's in different lights. I can feel that cold wind coming in, the wind that you feel before it rains. I'm gonna do another probably third of a tote of material. See if we get some more gold. If anything, we're gonna be getting deeper on the on the back side of that rock in the little hole. Here's the gold, and there was a lot of mixed mercury, and some of the stuff that's hanging with the gold, I'm not sure if it's mercury on gold. It's definitely not lead. Very heavy stuff though. Not sure. In front of me is a piece of serpentine. This is a chunk that I took from the river. This is about 32 pounds. Extremely heavy rock. Serpentine is one of the rocks that we look for in the Northeast as part of gold prospecting. It's high in magnesium and iron, and it's also low in silicates. Here's a rock that's high in silicates. There's a piece of quartz from Cape Cod. So you got Cape Cod and you got Vermont. Also feldspar, that would be another one high in silicates. You find that sometimes in your quartz. Quartz is a felsic rock. Serpentine would be ultramafic rock. So basically mantle, upper mantle, subduction zones is where you're gonna find it. It's an igneous style rock. It's a lot of different minerals in magma that reform, harden. With serpentine, you're gonna feel, if you see this in a river, there's an association with this in gold, and that's why we look for it. But it has kind of a waxy feel to it. It's got a greasy feel to it. We're gonna take a little bit of a look on the horn of this too. I'm gonna show you, there's a little, actually it's over this side. There's a little bit of pyrite sticking out of it also. But they use it for countertops, nickel. There's a lot of things that are associated with this, talc. Where there's been mining in Vermont and other areas. Let me put some water on this, just so you can kind of see what this would look like to you if you were in a river. Okay. And you can almost see the waxy reflection on it. You definitely feel it. When you feel this rock with your hands, it's like you could close your eyes. You're like, yeah, that feels like a piece of serpentine. It's got a certain feel to it. On the horn of this piece, you can see right here, let me see if I can get a close up. You can see the pyrite just sitting in there. I put a piece of gold right next to it. You can see the gold right there sent a screen. And you can see the pyrite that is on the horn of this rock. You see how bright the gold is next to the iron pyrite. Let me take that piece off. Just want to say thanks for watching. Enjoy this clip from Scott Givin of Massachusetts Trail Cams that he posted on Facebook. I may have added a little bit of music to it. Thanks everyone. Take care. Be well.